Greetings! Today we'll unbox the Kettler S4 treadmill. As you can see, it has a huge box. Let's open it. Amazingly big box. Okay, let's see what's inside. Lots of packaging. It is really well packed. The treadmill itself is quite heavy, so be aware of that. We really need two people to carry it. Or you can use the wheels. It has wheels, so. All apart, the treadmill itself, everything is nicely packed in plastic. The manual. Several languages. Instructions and everything. All the parts. The treadmill looks nice and big. You can lift it. It has this mechanism that locks it in place. It has some kind of a hydraulic mechanism to lower it down. You just have to push it like that. You can hold it gently and it will lower itself down. You will need this tool to assemble it. It's two people job. It will be easier to assemble with somebody, so we'll get a friend to help you out. The screen is orange. The treadmill is not that loud. It has the cooling fan. Quite effective. You can connect your phone and play the music with the aux. You can control the angle, the altitude, so it lifts up. You can control the speed. The controls are on the panel itself or also on the handles, left and right. Some faults, it's a bit flimsy in here. This is also an issue, like it pulls out. These things doesn't securely get in the places, it wobbles a bit. This is the security feature. If you fall off, it turns off. If you pull out that red part, the demo. Okay, let's stop it. And this is the original commercial. So thanks for watching. Leave any comments if you want to ask something about the treadmill, and be sure to maybe subscribe and leave a like for the video.